And into Kendall's bloodstream goes that drug. You die, Kendall dies too.
No more Dad. You kill me, what are you gonna do then? That's everything you live for. And then no more vengeance. Nothing left.
On the contrary, the future looks very bright for you, old man. Too bad you won't be around to see it.
You know, what are you gonna do?
I'm still very much impressed with
What is that dog doing? What is she doing?
Didn't they kill your son?
No, that would never work, but with the help of this beautiful woman that you and he loves so dearly.
Oh, you dropped it. Pooty got it. Here's one. There you go. You like those. Little scavenger. Yeah. What are you doing? You're crazy.